Hi guys, I am Talia Torres with Aqua Water Systems. I'm part of the marketing team and I am here in Udawal, and I have an awesome client who has agreed to talk about why she got her system and what it's done for her, and I cannot wait to tell you all more about it. So she got a system in June of 2021, and so she has been loving it since, and she's a happy client. So we're gonna get a good review from her and just ask her some questions, personal questions about why her system has helped her and her family. So how long have you had your system?
So June of last year, so we're coming up on a year almost now?
Yes, so almost a year, and you were referred to us, correct?
I was. Actually, a good friend of mine who is a neighbor, he got the system for his house and was raving about it, so I was like, well, he has my same water, so let's just try it out. So
Perfect.
It's been great.
Yeah, and that's awesome. We love referrals. One good thing about it is if you do know someone in your neighborhood who also has a system, there most likely is a reason. So they either have the hard water, they have the sulfur, they have something that is, possibly in your water, since you are in the same local area, so we can help fix that for you all. And what have you noticed? I know you talk about how it's helped your hair so much. What have you noticed the most?
Yeah, it's crazy because our water is so hard here. I mean, when I initially moved in, there were still the white stains on the fixtures and stuff, and I was like, I can't do this. Mm-hmm. As soon as, I would say, I'd been using it for a few weeks, maybe 2 to 3 weeks, and went to get my hair done, and my hairstylist was like, what have you been doing? I can tell a huge difference in your hair as to what it was before, and I told her I was using the filtration system.
Right, and so you do get your hair done.
I do.
That was another question I was going to ask about your hair. So a lot of people don't realize, with the chlorine, with the chemicals, everything that's coming through the hard water, when you're washing your hair, it's stripping that dye. If you are dyeing it, if you're bleaching it, whatever you might be doing, it's stripping that off. So you're going to have to get your hair done a lot more often if you do use hard water, just regular, but with the softener in your in a system, it definitely will help decrease the amount of times that you have to get that. And also the product, have you noticed a difference in the product that you've been using?
Yes.
Soap wise?
I use much less now.
Okay.
It doesn't require as much soap and conditioner and any kind of product in the shower that I would use previously. I'm not using as much, and of course not spending as much money on it.
Right,
so
and even your dishwasher, or
yes.
Have you noticed a difference in that, or your laundry? Or
yes, completely, and it's also none of the white marks in my dishwasher that had been previous, as on to the dishes as well. And then my clothes seem to be even smelling better now because the scent comes out more now.
Right, and that's also something, the chemicals in the water will pull the color out of your clothes whenever you're washing them. So if you have black pair of pants, is a great way to, compare. You have a black pair and then you have like a grayish black pair where the color's faded, or say red or anything like that. Those are always great ones to notice. So with the biggest thing you've noticed with your hair, do you think it's softer? Do you think it's stays cleaner longer? What do you think that has made the difference?
It does. It's crazy because it is super soft now, and then I'm able to actually go longer days without having to wash it, which is super nice too. And I say super again, but it's great because it's just, washing hair is a chore
for a girl. Yes,
women.
I'm a blonde, so I realize how that is.
It's just a task, but now it's just like I can go definitely 2 to 3 days without having to wash it.
That's great.
By using this, of course, a little dry shampoo.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, I love to hear that. So, and you said with the reduction of your products, you spend a lot less money.
Yes.
I think that is a huge key for a lot of people that we hear all the time. They're like, I'm spending less money. And you realize a lot of people are like, well, it's a lot to pay for even a system itself, but over time, you will save a lot of money depending on water bottles, your laundry detergent, your soap, your hair shampoo, conditioner, whatever, body wash, whatever it might be.
Yes.
Because the setting of it, it's going to set a lot more with just a little bit versus the chemicals in the hard water pulling that.
Right. So, and I don't even buy water bottles anymore. I have big water bottles that I take everywhere.
Yeah,
so
that's
really
awesome.
good.
That's awesome. Well, I'm happy that you are so happy with your system. I think it's definitely something great to come out and talk to you about it.
It's been great having it, so I'm really happy I got it.
Good. Well, we're excited to see where the future can take it.
Thank you.